How scary is it that Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, wants crypto companies to win their case against the SEC? By the way, Attorney Morgan said he doesn't like Coinbase because he can't forget what the exchange did to XRP users. Also, when can buyers expect XRP's price to go through the roof? Lastly, there are a lot of stories going on around the XRP community right now about Gary Gensler, the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, leaving his job. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest news about XRP and the world of cryptocurrencies in general. If you are watching one of our movies for the first time, we will be happy to send you a special welcome. We want you to click the bell so that you never miss a movie. We're letting people know that this station is giving away 200 XRP. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag XRP. The winner will then be revealed on Friday, July 15. Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, recently said that he was unhappy with the US SEC's recent crackdown on the crypto business. But the XRP community hasn't been happy with these statements. Remember that the SEC recently filed charges against the two biggest cryptocurrency platforms in the world, Binance and Coinbase. The agency said, among other things, that both platforms helped people deal in securities that were not registered. Cardano, Solana, Polygon, and Algorand are some of these assets. When asked what he thought about how the US regulates cryptocurrencies, Buterin said that it makes him sad that crypto projects like Solana are getting caught up in the SEC's crackdown. They don't deserve it, and if Ethereum ends up winning over all the other blockchains, getting kicked off exchanges is not a good way to win, and in the long run, this probably isn't even a win, he added. The Ethereum founder was right to say that the real competition is not between blockchains and protocols, but between crypto and the standard centralized finance scene that is trying to take over the crypto industry. In this case, it wouldn't feel like a real win if Ethereum got a lot of attention by standing tall, while other assets were kicked off platforms. I hope this situation works out well for all good projects, Buterin said in the end. Even though his most recent comments seem to show support for affected crypto companies, the XRP community did not like them. This bad reaction is mostly because of what Buterin said about the Ripple versus SEC case before. Digital asset investor, a pseudonymous leader in the XRP community, told the community not to be fooled by what the Ethereum founder said recently. The influential person said that it is now well known that Buterin knew about the plan to make Ethereum a monopoly. The digital asset investor's response was sparked by the news that came out when Hinman's papers were made public on June 13. The papers show, for example, that former SEC Director Bill Hinman planned to talk with Buterin about how the Ethereum Foundation works. He wanted his speech to be mostly about Ethereum and how the network has become decentralized enough. Another member of the XRP community talked about recent news reports that linked Buterin to the Chinese company Wanxiang Holdings. In a web of links, Fox reporter Eleanor Terrett found that Buterin, Wanxiang Holdings, and Prometheum all have ties to each other. Please remember to subscribe to our station and also hit that bell to be the first person to know what's going on with XRP. Bill Morgan, an Australian lawyer, said he doesn't like the exchange Coinbase because of what it did to people who own XRP. Bill Morgan, an Australian lawyer, said in a tweet on Friday that he doesn't like the exchange Coinbase because of what it did to people who owned XRP. Attorney Morgan said that he fully supports Coinbase's case against the SEC, but he can't forget what the exchange did to XRP holders. Attorney Morgan also doesn't like Coinbase because the exchange took XRP off its list and won't put it back on. Attorney Morgan says that the decision is different from what the SEC said about other crypto assets that are still listed on Coinbase, even though they are called stocks. Also, the ruling goes against what the exchange's legal document says about trading on the secondary market. You may remember that Coinbase took XRP off the market a few weeks after the SEC sued Ripple in December 2020, accusing the coin of being a security. Even though Coinbase filed an amicus curiae brief in support of Ripple's fair notice argument, it has ignored calls to relist XRP. 2 years later, the SEC sued Coinbase because it was running a securities exchange without being listed. Solana, Polygon, and Filecoin are among the crypto assets on Coinbase that the SEC called stocks. But Coinbase didn't take these coins off its site, as it did with XRP a few years ago. Instead, the San Francisco-based exchange made a case for dealing in crypto on the secondary market. In reaction to the SEC's Wells notice, Coinbase said that all 4 parts of the Howey test are not met by secondary market transactions of cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. The exchange says it uses a good method to make sure it doesn't show any tokens that are securities. Interestingly, Attorney Morgan has kept calling out Coinbase for treating XRP differently from other coins that the SEC calls securities. In May, Morgan criticized Coinbase for not apologizing to people who owned XRP after it was delisted and not put back on the exchange. Last month, he also said that the biggest exchange was wrong for stopping trade on the XRP secondary market. Some Ripple and XRP fans have told XRP users to stop being so loyal to their cryptocurrency by standing by Coinbase after its fight with the SEC in court. But the lawyer who isn't afraid to say what he thinks said he isn't in the "we are all friends now" club. Notably, Attorney Morgan is not going to forget how harshly Coinbase treated XRP until the exchange relists the coin. Ripple, based on CoinMarketCap's score, it looks like most coins don't need to be changed. Also, according to CoinMarketCap's score, most of the coins don't seem to need to be changed. XRP couldn't keep up with the other coins that went up, as it only went up by 1.81%. Even though the price of XRP has gone down in the last week, it looks like it will go up at your time frame because the rate broke through the barrier at $0.50. If sellers can keep the rate above that mark, the growth is likely to keep going until it reaches $0.48. On the bigger chart, things are not so clear because the price is still being pushed down by buyers. If bulls want to take control, they need to get the rate back above $0.50. Only in that case could a change happen in the middle of the term. From an intermediate point of view, you should pay attention to how the bar closes about the $0.45 low of the previous candle. If it happens above $0.48, there is a chance that the price will move sideways. Between $0.48 and $0.50 until the middle of July. Come with me as I talk about the incident that caused Gary Gensler to quit. Now for the day's main point. Come with me as I talk about the story of Gary Gensler's resignation. Please remember to subscribe to our station and also hit that bell to be the first person to know what's going on with XRP. There are a lot of obviously false stories going around the XRP community about the upcoming resignation. Gary Gensler, the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Popular XRP accounts like Documenting Ripple have helped get the unproven news out there. Gensler became the SEC chair in April 2021 after a long and successful career in public policy and academia. During the Obama administration, he was head of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. During his time in office, he has paid a lot of attention to the growing crypto market and the ongoing lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple Labs, the company that made the XRP coin. Even though there are a lot of reports, it doesn't seem likely that Gensler will quit. So far, his job has been marked by a clear push for strong crypto rules and more openness in the market, which is a job that is far from done. Based on what has happened in the past, no SEC chair has quit within the first 2 years of their job. This makes Gensler's reported resignation even less likely. Some well-known people in the XRP community have started to question these unproven claims, which adds to the counter-story. Jungle Incorporated, which is well known in the XRP community, told people not to believe fake news. A website that is sharing the untrue story that Gensler quit. Guys, this video has come to an end. If you liked it, make sure to like the video, follow it, and hit the bell to get notifications. This helps me a lot with how YouTube works. Also, by showing this movie to as many people as possible, you can help them learn just as much as you have. Let's tell everyone about this. guys. If you're a real fan of cryptocurrency, don't miss any of our posts. We'll talk about the latest news that affects us all as a group tomorrow.